I will guide you through how to make Etsy account. If you find this useful, then please consider liking and subscribing the video. To get started, open your Google and go to official website Etsy. You'll arrive at the homepage where millions of creative products are waiting. On the top right corner, click Sign In. If you don't have an account yet, click Register instead. Now, enter your email address, your first name, and create a strong, secure password, something that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Then click Register to proceed. Your account will now be created automatically, and you'll be logged in instantly. From here, you can start customizing your profile, setting up your preferences, or simply exploring what Etsy has to offer. Take time to explore the wide variety of product categories, from handmade crafts and personalized gifts to vintage finds and digital downloads. Use the search bar or scroll through the homepage to discover trending items and curated recommendations based on your interests. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Etsy experience.